guys, so I had a few of you on here the other day asking about how I did my heatless curls. So I'm going to take a couple seconds here to show you exactly how I wrap them up to get those results that you saw on my live the other day. So thanks again for hopping in. I'm excited to show you how to use the Kish Heatless curlers. I'm just going to grab my little spray bottle here real quick. All right, so I'm just going to use like a little water spray here in our Kish Heatless curling wand. It's this nice long curling wand here, and it comes with these two little scrunchies to secure it at the end, which are also this satin material as well. Hi! Hey Yenny, hey Delaney, hey Allison, hey Keith, hey Faustina. Good to see you guys. Hey Emily. All right, so first thing is the hair can't be totally dry. I just did, I washed it a couple of hours ago, so it's still a little dry, but not super dry. It's still got a little bit of moisture in it. So it's perfect. If it's super wet, it won't work either, because if it's really wet, then your hair gets wrapped around and then it doesn't dry completely. And then you wake up in the morning and you have these curls that just kind of flop out. So it's really important for the hair to be like partially damp, but not too wet. So I'm going to take the curling rod here. Hi guys, good to see you. Thanks for the hearts. I'm going to take the curling rod here, and then I'm going to, oh, I lied first. Sorry, I got ahead of myself. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm parting the hair down the back just so that it makes it easier once I get to the bottom. That way, it's easier for me to section off the hair. Hey Bethany, hey Jillian, hey Mason. Good to see you guys. Thanks for the hearts. So I'm going to place it right at the top of my head. And then I'm going to make sure that it's nice and even, or about as even as you can go. Hey, good evening. And then I'm going to clip this in here just like this. Nice. Okay. And so the bottoms of the hair are still a little bit more wet than the top. So I'm just going to do a little spray here. To add a tiny bit of moisture on this top section, and then I'm going to section it off. Now, I'm going to section it off into 3 before the ear and then 2 more at the bottom for a total of 5. But depending on your hair length and so forth, you can always adjust it to how you like it. So, and then I personally, thank you for the hearts, I personally like to wrap it around 3 to 4 times around the rod, so then that way I get those bouncy curls that I like. So it's definitely ideal if I'm able to leave them in overnight, which I'm doing tonight. But even sometimes when I haven't left them in overnight, if I have a few hours in the morning, like I know I'm just going to be doing chores around the house, or if I'm working from home that day, I'll throw them in the morning, like right after I brush my teeth, and then I just go about my day, and then usually by like lunchtime, they're good to go. So, I definitely feel like they last a little bit longer when I'm able to keep them in overnight, but it's not necessary because I feel like I get really awesome results with just a couple of hours. So I've taken that second section and I've wrapped it around here. Hi Diana, hey Giovanni, hey Bridget, hey Larry, hey Manderlin, good to see you guys. And now we're about to get this third section here. So just giving it a little spritz, just a little moisture through the hair, and then I like to keep my brush nearby just in case I run across any hairs that are going crazy or any spots that are starting to knot. And I wrap it around 3 times. Oops, try not to cut the other hair. Perfect. And then from here I'm going to do 2 more sections Actually, let me see. This is parted. Actually, I'm going to do 3. I feel like I have enough hair here to do 3. So I'm going to do 3. Taking this section here, separating the rest down, doing 3 or 4 wraps. Good, and then yeah, I totally have enough for 2 more. So I did 3 above the ear, and then 3 sections below the ear. And this is one of those things that definitely gets easier the more that you use them, the more frequent that you use them, because there's definitely a learning curve, I feel like, in the beginning. So get in a couple of practice sessions and then you'll be able to feel confident about doing them the night before work or the night before an event and so forth. Swipe right to view comments. Ooh, that's fun. Hi guys. Thank you guys for hopping in, showing you how exactly I use my Kiss Heatless curls. So then when I get to the bottom, see we're getting to the end of the strand here. I'm going to wrap it all the way around as much as I can. And then I'm taking one of the scrunchies that's included in the set. And then I'm going to wrap it around. And then I personally like to take the excess little bit and tuck it up in there as well. So then that way I don't accidentally knock it or pull it. So there's one side done. So you can see I did the 6 sections, and I think the 6 sections is where it's at because I fully covered the rod with the hair here. Still trying to figure this all out. I'm trying to think how long I've had these. I've probably had these for like maybe 5 or 6 months, and it is definitely like a little learning curve, but now I feel like I can confidently put them in when I know that I have somewhere to go and just know that my curls are going to be cute. So, and I like that I'm not damaging my hair with heat. I've done quite a lot of damage to my poor hair over the years. So I'm really trying to take some steps here proactively to make sure my hair stays nice and healthy. So using a heatless curling method versus doing the curls with a curling iron is definitely helping to keep my hair shiny and keep it from hopefully not getting, I should say, those split ends. So 3 sections below the ear. That's our 3rd one. And just because I'm so much more flexible on one arm, I've learned over time that I have to watch this side, because if I don't, I pull it further back than the other side. So trying to keep them nice and even. 3 or 4 wraps around. And then I have enough hair for 3 sections at the bottom. There's one. All right. And then 2 more sections. Perfect. Whoops. Oh goodness. I almost dropped it. There we go. There we go. Alright, and then the last little strand here. wrapping it around. Hey. Good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining. Almost done with my little heatless curling set here. Just going to wrap up this other side with this satin scrunchie here that was provided in the set as well. And then I'm just going to take this clip off gently, and then just any hairs that kind of fell out of place, I'm going to just kind of push them in. Yeah, we're good to go. Alright, guys. I knew that I dropped that piece right there. I think that's gonna bug me. I might end up redoing that side. You know what? I'm just gonna redo it. Let's see. Go down. Let's see where that mistake happened. Okay. Nope, a little bit further. Right. I'm just going all the way back up to the top. And that's okay. So just sectioning off this first section and wrapping it around. 3 to 4 times. Oops. And then getting that next section. Hi guys, good evening. How's it going? Okay. Finishing up these heatless curls. And I'm gonna have some dinner and go to bed. What about you guys? What are you guys up to this evening? Anybody doing anything fun? All right, and then I do 3 under the ear as well. Try not to get any stragglers this time. I keep bumping my elbow because I don't have as much room on this side. Okay. And then the last 2 sections. 2, 3. And 1, and 2, and 3. All right. Oh, I didn't get the end fully. Now I'm just gonna take it and loop it around here. There we go. Take this guy, loop it around. Perfect. There we go. Alright guys, thanks for joining me as I did my little heatless curlers. Hey Missy, hi Rena, hey Jameson, hey Larry. Hi. Thanks guys for joining. Alright guys, have a good night. See you soon.